Quiet in the studio. We're ready to record. Jack Benny, Americare 39 Life Plan Record. Are you ready, Mr. Benny? Ooh, Mr. Benny, really? Haven't you had enough practice? Goodness.
I'm not practicing. I'm rehearsing. There's a difference.
Heifetz rehearses, you practice.
Oh, well, it's lunchtime anyhow. I'm hungry. Oh, Watson Powell, could you bring my lunch over here, please? It's in that sack. Yeah, on that table there.
Sure, Jack.
I'll bet Heifetz doesn't bring his lunch.
Oh, shut up.
You.
Here, Jack.
Oh, thanks, Watson. Say, Watson.
Yes, Jack?
Watson, here you are, president of an insurance company.
That's right, Jack.
And you're going to all this trouble with me to make a record?
Oh, well, Jack, you've made records before, haven't you?
Well...
And movies?
Well,
And everybody knows you're a big star on television.
Oh, for me.
And just look what you did for radio.
Yes, just look.
You keep out of this.
And you do have a reputation for not throwing money, for being a common sense buyer.
Well, this plan, this Americare, what's that number?
39.
Yes, but why do you call it the America 39 Life Plan?
There are at least 39 reasons, Jack.
Hey, how about a hard-boiled egg?
Oh, thanks. I'd love one.
Not you. Him.
You know, Jack, the Americare 39 plan isn't just for people who are 39. It's for people who are 18 to 65 years old. And there's special coverage for children, too.
Oh, good. Now, what's this $25,000?
Oh, that's the death benefit that the plan pays clear up to age 40.
Well, Watson, what would that $25,000 policy cost for someone who is, say, 39?
Well, Jack, during that year, that 39th year of a man's life, that $25,000 policy would cost him only $8.60 a month.
Only $8.60 a month?
That's right, Jack. And here's another example. For a man who is 25 years old, that $25,000 policy would cost him only $5 a month.
Well, how do you do that?
Jack, with the Americare 39 plan, a man has $25,000 of life insurance all the way to his 40th birthday. But every year, the amount of the monthly premium goes up just a little bit.
The premium goes up?
Well, Jack, you know how each year, as a person gets a little older, the risk does go up a little bit.
Well, everybody knows that.
But remember, even so, the cost is always a bargain.
Well, only $8.60 a month at age 39 for $25,000.
You see, Jack, Americare 39 is designed for today's lifestyle. It's pure, uncomplicated term life insurance protection that fits today's no-nonsense way of living and of buying, too.
I've been buying that way for years.
Buying? All you do is look.
You be quiet. Well, Watson, what happens after a person gets to be 40? Not that I'm really interested, but...
Well, Jack, at age 40, clear through to age 65, the premium stays the same every month, only $9. And the amount of the insurance protection goes down a little bit each year.
Well, that makes sense. In other words, you get as much protection as possible for as little money as possible each year. Well, Watson, how do you keep the cost so low?
For one thing, Jack, the Americare 39 plan isn't sold through salesmen. People deal direct with the company. We've discovered that we can present our message at a far lower cost by using leading national magazines. And then by letting this folder...
And my record.
Record? Did someone say record? Oh, goody! Let's make the record!
In a minute! So, Watson, you're doing it all direct by mail to keep the costs low. Now, I like dealing directly. I've had my own cow for years.
Really?
This is all so sensible. Besides, I don't like to be pressured. I like to make up my own mind.
And, Jack, people can feel confident about buying this way, too. You see, when a person sends his application for the Americare 39 plan, he has the assurance of knowing that American Republic, the company that stands behind his Americare 39 policy, is licensed and regulated by his state's insurance department.
And people will get a lot of facts about the Americare 39 plan from my record, too.
Yes, if we ever make it.
Oh,
And remember, Jack, they also get this folder. It outlines all the features of the plan and has this easy-to-read chart with all the rates and benefits for ages 18 to 65. And, Jack, these low premium rates shown on the chart in the folder can never be increased.
never?
Never. And the benefits shown on the chart can never be reduced either. This is guaranteed rate and benefit protection.
Wonderful. Now, Watson, why don't I rehearse my solo again before we record?
Really? Do we have to?
Well, Jack, I've been meaning to talk to you about that.
Gee, I just wanted to do something a little different. You know, it isn't every day that I make a record.
Is that a promise?
I mean, it's such a privilege to make a record to announce the America 39 plan. I want to do something special.
But, Jack, everyone knows you're famous for one song.
That's true.
And when people hear that song, they only think of one thing.
Yes. When will it be over?
No, they think of Jack Benny, America's most careful player.
That's Bayer.
That's right, Bayer. That's Bayer. Well, if you really think so, let's go ahead and make the record.
Yes, play Love in Blue.
I will not. I'm going to play something classical.
Oh, all right. A 1 and a 2 and a 3.
Now
and...
cut that out. You see, when they get to this part of the record, they'll have to turn it over to hear me finish my number.
Welcome to side 2.
You know, Watson, I've been thinking.
Yes, Jack?
Well, the rates for the Americare 39 plan are so low, this sounds like some kind of group insurance.
Yes, Jack, the rates are low. But this isn't group insurance. This is individual insurance. But it's individual insurance at rates that are even lower than some group insurance rates.
Well, how can you offer individual insurance at a cost that low?
Well, you could say we are using a group principle, Jack. We're offering the Americare 39 plan to great numbers of people. Those who take advantage of the opportunity have the benefit of the low cost.
Great numbers. Well, there are all my fans.
Say, that'd be good for 2 policies.
Now stop that.
So, Jack, by using this truly different concept and using no salesman and using leading national magazines,
And by using my record.
yes, and your record, we can offer the Americare 39 plan at these very low rates.
And even with the low rates, it says here in the folder that you plan to pay dividends to. Dividends.
Yes, even though the premium rates for the Americare 39 plan are so low, the plan provides for the payment of dividends. Of course, the dividends can't be guaranteed. No insurance plan can do that. But because this is individual life insurance designed to be sold at low cost to great numbers of people, we anticipate that we will be able to pay dividends.
Oh, yes, it's right here in this folder. Now, what's this,
This says that American Republic is an old line legal reserve life insurance company.
Well, I'm glad to know that. Everybody knows what that means. By the way, Watson, what does it mean?
Among other things, Jack, it means that we are reliable and completely financially responsible.
Well, I like that.
One of the things that helps us serve people better and faster is our use of the high-speed IBM 370 computer. It saves a tremendous amount of time, and it helps us cut costs to the bone.
Oh, yes. Look here in the folder that goes with the record. You and me and the computer. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Sort of a lazy lagoon blue.
The computer?
No, my eyes. My eyes. Stop stealing my
Oh, Mr. Powell. Mr. Powell.
Why, yes, dear.
Mr. Powell, my daddy wanted me to ask you about the 50 cents a month.
Oh, you mean how the Americare 39 plan covers all the children in a family, each with $1,000 of life insurance benefit for only 50 cents a month. Yes, it sure does, honey.
Even if we have 10?
10. 10 children?
There's me and Cindy and Bobby and...
Well, you tell your daddy that 50 cents is the rate for all of you. You and all your brothers and sisters.
That's only a nickel apiece.
And when you and your brothers and sisters get to be 21, they are guaranteed their very own $25,000 Americare life insurance policy. And they don't even have to take a physical examination either.
Gee.
You tell your daddy. Is your daddy here?
He's in there.
Me.
Oh, him.
Well, you tell your daddy that your mother can have $2,500 of life insurance coverage included in the plan.
I can?
The whole family's here.
Yes, ma'am. You can have this $2,500 of low-cost coverage as part of your husband's policy. Or you can even get your own individual policy with the same benefits as your husband's, but with monthly rates that are even lower than his.
Gee.
Thank you, Mr. Powell. I think I'll go now.
All right, dear. Thank you.
Well, goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Blue Eyes.
Gee, she noticed. Oh, Watson, don't forget to tell them about the physical...
But, Jack, there isn't any.
I know.
With the Americare 39 plan, people aren't required to take a physical examination. All they do is fill out the application that comes with the record, answering the 2 simple questions about their family's health history. Now, Jack, you understand, and the people will understand, that it's not possible for the Americare 39 plan to be offered to people who are in bad health. But from industry experience, we fully expect that more than 9 out of 10 people who apply for coverage under the Americare 39 plan will be accepted.
Please, Mr. Benny, this is interesting.
But the record. Aren't we going to make the record?
When people send in their application, we ask them, please not to send any money.
They don't send any money?
That's right, Jack.
Then you don't have to pay anything until you see the policy?
Right. When a family's application is approved, we send them their Americare 39 policy, along with 12 monthly premium payment envelopes. To put their policy in force, they just send the first month's premium in the first month's envelope. It's as simple as that.
Well, doesn't it cost more to pay it by the month?
Not a bit. This way the cost can fit into anyone's budget. And the money people save, they can use to invest in other things.
Well, I have my own vault.
We know.
Also, Jack, and this is important, if people ever want to have a policy with cash and loan values, they can convert their Americare 39 policy at any time up to age 65. And this is guaranteed, no matter what their health condition is at the time.
Gee. Well, aren't we going to make the record?
Well, you see, Jack, Americare 39 is simple, pure protection. It pays the beneficiary the full face amount of the policy upon the death of the policyholder. And American Republic guarantees the policyholder's right to renew the policy each year.
Not yet, Mr. Benny. We'll tell you when.
But my bus comes by in a few minutes.
Daddy, is he really 39?
The record. Let's make the record.
Is he 39? Easily.
Now cut that out.
Hello again. This is Watson Powell. I hope you enjoyed my visit with Jack Benny, America's most famous 39-year-old. We wanted to show you, perhaps in a humorous way, all the serious reasons why we sincerely believe the Americare 39 plan deserves your most careful consideration. I hope you'll look over the enclosed folder carefully. In it, you'll see all the many features of the Americare 39 plan that I explained to Jack on this record. Take another look at the chart showing the benefits and the low, low rates that are the hallmark of the Americare 39 plan. Then talk the plan over with your family. After all, you're buying individual participating life insurance protection at a cost lower than some group insurance rates. You don't have to take a physical examination, and the health questions are as simple as they can possibly be. Notice the special coverage for all of your children for the total cost of only 50 cents a month, and the money-saving coverage for women, too. Yes, the Americare 39 plan has so many important features. I'm sure you'll agree that it is the plan to help answer the insurance needs of your family in a very meaningful way. Even if you already have some life insurance protection, either individual or group, you can materially increase the size of your estate for just a few dollars a month. I know you'll want to fill out the simple application we have enclosed. Just drop it in the mail, and please don't send any money. By the way, we've also enclosed an extra application. You might want to give it to a friend or a neighbor. And we'd appreciate it if you would play Jack's record for them, too. Thanks so much for listening. Jack and I are looking forward to hearing from you.